Hi there, everybody. Welcome back to another video today. This is Marybeth Angelelli back inside DGC, the Digital Growth Community. I just like to continue to bring you in here to show you around a little bit so that you can see exactly this amazing community that you too can and will be part of to help you to get the best results and finally have online success, due in large part because of the community. This is a very supportive, interactive group of like-minded individuals from all over the world. Currently, there's 43,400 members worldwide, growing every single day. This is the extension. This is the backbone of the success of the Legacy Builder program. There's even an amazing classroom inside of here with continued, ongoing, live, interactive trainings, and replays are uploaded within the classroom. We have a very busy calendar here that all of the live events are posted on, so you know what day the training is going to be and what time of the day a specific training is. And I recommend that you attend as many of these live in the moment as you can. It'll be well worth your time. But if you are not able to, do not worry. They're all recorded and uploaded into the back office. Okay? So with that being said, folks, this is where you can go to get amazing tech and Kajabi support should you need any. The support is absolutely superb, very strong. Okay, another contributing factor to the members' success to help you quickly get unstuck with a question or two, and then you can carry onward and upward with building your successful online business. Okay, so everything is here. Here's the classroom right here. I'm going to take you inside. This is where you need to go as soon as you join. You definitely want to watch this orientation overview video. It's really imperative to your success. Now we're going to come over here because we currently launched. We're right in the midst, in the early stages of the 90-day holiday profit push, where the focus is on mastering social media. We're going to teach you high income skills, how not to only use social media, but how to use it the right way. Okay? How to become a master over social media. Now that encompasses Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube primarily. You pick one of those to get started, especially if you're new. We also have training on Pinterest, and we also have training on LinkedIn. So whatever is best for you, whatever your interests, wherever they fall, based on your personality, based on where you would like to start to build your social media presence and your social media following. We're going to show you that you don't have to work harder. You can be out there working smarter. And you don't have to be out there trading time for dollars, because we're going to show you how to effectively master a 2-hour workday and how to get your business into profit mode. We're going to equip you with the high income skills. Everything from attraction marketing to developing and creating your personal brand, your $1 million brand, creating content, how to use social media the right way, your social media marketing, and how to build your most important asset, your email list. Email list building, folks. Because remember, that's where the money originates. That's the origin of the money. The money's in the list, the fortune's in the follow-up. We're going to teach you all of this and so much more. Okay? If you can't attend our trainings throughout the week, which majority of them are on Mondays, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays, either the afternoon or the evening, it'll all be recorded and integrated right here inside of the classroom. I love this content vault. I use this all week long, folks. I found it to be very beneficial. Social media training, folks. If you want to become a master over social media, this is a supplemental area where you can come and start learning while you are earning, okay? Everything's here, from your mindset training, your skill set training, the entire gamut. Not to mention, if you come in as a legacy builder, you'll have access to the training inside of the Legacy Builder training, okay? You'll have access to the actual done-for-you digital products, 4 of them, okay? 900, 600, 300, and 100. And yes, you can resell them, and you get to keep it all, 100% of the profits. So you have your products to plug into, the training contained within the products, and then you've got the classroom. I highly recommend, if you're brand new, you dedicate yourself to spending some quality time daily with consistency, spending time getting trained up, okay? And then go out there and apply and implement right away, All right. So this is the awesome classroom, folks. This is the calendar. We kicked off this week right here with a wonderful mentoring session on Monday. I attended this one live. It was by Lizelle. She's a multimillionaire now over in South Africa. Digital marketing has made that all possible for her. It changed her life, and she trained us on connections and conversions, okay? Because remember, conversions are what equal currency. Connections equal currency. You combine those two, you have two very powerful features, okay? Two very powerful aspects out there that you need to master. How to create those connections and how to create content that's going to work and convert, okay? Two amazing high income skills. Making connections, okay? Building know, like, and trust, okay, in essence. Tuesday evening, we had our live interactive legacy builder training with Michelle. She did a fantastic job. Okay, this was absolutely amazing. Loved it. Okay, got a great deal of more knowledge. Okay, she did a great job on giving us tips and tricks and proven strategies to help us to increase our conversions through email marketing. I absolutely loved it. Okay, it was really phenomenal. All right. So we also had a tech Zoom yesterday, so that was spectacular. And then today we're going to have a mentoring session this afternoon with Dee, and she's also from South Africa, another successful member that hails from South Africa, and she's going to be sharing this afternoon how to build an infectious brand. Another high income skill, folks. So you're going to definitely want to get in on this. It is not too late, folks. We just launched this 90-day holiday profit push. We're in the very early infancy stages of it, so there's still time to play catch up. But every day that you delay, folks, you're going to just, risk impeding your success. Okay. But now is the time, folks. There's never been a better place. There's never been a better time. You're in the right place. You're in the right time, folks. There's no doubt about it. If you want to have a successful online business, folks, this is the place where you can get the greatest training, skill set, mindset. Combine the best of both worlds, folks. You have a win-win. You have a winning combination, folks, and we're going to equip you with everything you need to know. So we have our classroom, we have our calendar, we have everything. We have the amazing community. Michelle drops a video every single day, folks. Every single day. We're now going to be going into the onset of day 10 of the 90-day holiday profit push. Okay? So we are just getting started, folks, and this was absolutely amazing. Day 9, okay? Day number 9 was creating more value in your content, okay? Using a very effective, powerful tool called ChatGPT to really help you to do this with ease. This is a phenomenal tool, folks. You want to keep up with the latest and greatest in technology. ChatGPT is where it is at. So you go into the classroom, you go into the 90-day holiday profit push, and as you can see, every single day the video replays are here. This was day 9, okay? This was day 9 right here, and we focused on providing value, delivering more value in your content, okay, to help you increase your conversions and utilizing the powerful, phenomenal tool called ChatGPT. You're going to learn everything, okay? All these incredible high-income skills. And this is the ultimate end goal, folks, to help you position yourself between now and year end to be in a position for this type of potential, folks. 20K holiday potential. Imagine if you're able to accomplish this. This can set you up very well. It can enable you to be able to pay cash for the holidays, so you don't have to worry about going into debt any longer. Attraction marketing, attracting customers, using social media platforms the right way, creating content that converts, because folks, it's all about conversions. Those conversions are going to yield currency. That's what's going to get you the potential to have daily paying customers. Okay? Learning how to create unlimited content. Video framework, how to frame your videos in 4 simple steps to get better results, more visibility, more conversions through your video marketing. That would encompass TikTok and YouTube. Those are my 2 preferred go-to platforms. They've served me very, very well. Day number 8, we covered who is your perfect customer. We show you how to find the ideal perfect customer. Okay, so you can create the best content that's going to be relatable to your perfect customer. And then yesterday, how to infuse value into your content, and also how to do it effectively through using ChatGPT. So that's just a quick overview of what we have to help you to finally succeed online. Now within the community, within the community we have this amazing win section, and I always want to bring you in here before I conclude the videos to show you what's possible. Okay, to give you inspiration, to let you know that this absolutely works, because we're following a step-by-step tested and proven system to make it all happen. Okay, look at this. Mel had a $1,600 day just 10 days ago. Okay, Mel's mind is blown again, just loves this. Okay, 1,800. Kevin had 1,800 come in while eating dinner. Another 1,800 came in tonight while eating dinner with the family. Let's go. This opportunity has changed the game and blessed myself and my family, and we're just getting started. Okay? From Kevin Hill. All right? Look at that, folks. Look at this amazing. Okay? Look at this. Chelsea reported she's super excited because she went live and she was able to have 1,000 views on her video. Folks, that is powerful. Okay? That is powerful. The more people you can reach, the more visibility you're able to generate from your content. You're going to be so much better off for it, folks. Okay? Because you're going to be able to expand your reach. The more you expand your reach, the more people that see your content, the more people that hear your message, the more people you have opting in to your capture page, building your email list with more subscribers. That ultimately is going to give you the competitive edge and advantage to be able to increase your conversions, okay? Because you have more people, okay? And we're talking numbers, folks. Numbers speak volumes, and that's what you want to strive for, okay? Just building and scaling up and reaching as many people worldwide as you are able to, okay? Look at this, folks. 67 days, $121,544. Extremely blessed to have come across this awesome business and how it has impacted our lives in a tremendous way. We literally just made a Legacy Builder program sell. Now, as I am writing this, thank you, Jesus. Next month, we're going back to NZ, I'm assuming that's New Zealand, for a month holiday. All flights, car, hired, and accommodations are paid for. That cost about $12,000 in total, with no stress and no worries about whether we've had enough, whether we have enough or not. And we get to bless my sister with a beautiful wedding gift. Be encouraged, guys, to keep showing up every day. Yeah, folks, you have to show up every day. It's all about committing to the process, commitment, sacrificing, and staying dedicated and consistent, because consistency is the key to being successful in any business endeavor, including Legacy Builder program. Okay, keep being coachable. Yes, you have to be willing to be teachable and coachable. You don't want to try to reinvent the wheel, folks. Okay, this stuff works, as you can clearly see. Keep applying what you learn. Digital marketing is the way of the now and the future. Absolutely. Everything evolves around digital. We're in a digital age, folks, and digital marketing is trending, especially in this industry, in this specific niche right here, the e-learning industry. The ability and the potential to earn while you learn, okay? Nothing quite like it, with the right system, the right training, the right processes, and the right strategies. And you will have all of that and so much more, folks. Legacy Builder program is most definitely the vehicle to get you propelling forward. God bless you all from home, okay? Look at this, folks. This is just a small snippet of what is possible, folks, within the win section. So with that being said, folks, I'm inviting you now to come to my website. All you have to do is enter a good valid email address, come on in, and enjoy watching explainer video 1 and 2. Breaks it all down for you. Then you'll be redirected to my product page, my product and join page. And it is there that you can select the digital product that you feel best aligns with your goals. Your personal goals, your professional goals, and your financial goals. We have a 100, a 300, a 600, and a 900. By far the most popular is the 900. It's the flagship product because it gives you the greatest potential all the way around. Training, value, mindset, and skill set. Plus, you have 3 additional streams of income with the greatest potential to earn. Okay? $900, $600, $300, and $100 commissions. Okay? So with that being said, folks, I want to thank you so much. I'd love nothing more than to welcome you in advance to the Legacy Builder program. This is the digital growth community. This is our extension. This is our backbone to success, and this is why so many are having success, because you get to be in business for yourself, but not by yourself. Super supportive. You have questions, you can go ahead and search them right here. This acts as a powerful search engine tool, folks, quite similar to Google. You can write your questions right here. They'll get posted in the appropriate category. And then you come on in and you split your time between your products, okay, your product training and the classroom training. And then you're going to be in a great place to be able to be positioned with the potential to earn while you learn, folks. Here's our calendar. Here's our classroom. Here's the win section. It's all here, folks. You need any support for tech, this is where you go ahead and take advantage of that. So thank you so much. My contact details are below. Text or call me. I welcome all serious inquiries. CreateSuccessWithMarybeth.com. That's the website. It'll be posted up here. And I'd like to thank you so much for allowing me to continue to share with you something that is truly impacting lives and helping change lives all over the globe. And when you get started, when you're willing to take action and take a chance on yourself, folks, just like I did, and invest in yourself and invest in learning these high income skills, that's when things can really change for you. Okay? They have the potential to change in a great way. So thank you so much. See you soon. See you on tomorrow's video. I'll be back. Bye-bye.